Bro, what are you doing?
No! Ah! Ah!
Oh.
What's up, internet people? This is CB and this is my friend Habibi.
I'm Habibi.
Yeah, and today what we're gonna do, yeah, like you can think like, what is this two guys is doing here? Yeah, you know, internet is free and we are gonna utilize it, so deal with it. Okay, so today we are gonna do, you know what?
Yeah.
Water test. What's the
Bro,
matter, bro?
water is not water, man. What did you give me?
Bro, okay, doesn't matter. So we are gonna go to the store and we are gonna buy every single brand of water bottle. Not every single, but few of them because we are poor, bro. And yeah, and we're gonna review it. There's gonna be a few different kind of review. And one more thing, like
You can drink it.
okay, and one more thing. You can ask like why our English is bad, because our English is so good that
Bro,
you don't understand. We
Our
have
English
certificate.
is so good, man.
Yeah, and deal with it.
People from America and
Yeah,
England,
bro,
they
they're
cannot.
nothing. So
Yeah,
let's
man.
go and buy some water. Habibi, come.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's start the mission.
What are you doing, man? What are you going to do?
So, guys, we're not all gonna taste the water from the store. We're also gonna taste water from the nature. So, come on.
No. Bro, what are you doing, man?
It is good.
Bro, are you crazy? How was it, man?
Okay, yeah, it tastes good. It's nothing different. Yeah, you know, natural soup.
Yeah, we are going to test the water, man. Yeah? Yeah, totally. Ah, such a nice water, man.
Bro, it says don't drink the water.
What?
Yeah, man.
I already did, man. What?
How does it taste, man?
Actually, it was very good. But are you sure?
Yeah,
Wait.
bro, it says don't drink it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bro.
Show me, man.
Welcome back, guys. We are back from the store with this water. So there's gonna be three tests. First, we're gonna do drink test. How does it taste? That's it, in your tongue. No scientific. Yeah, we are scientists, bro. You don't need any other reference from some other thing. We are scientists.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so Habibi, where should we start?
I don't know. This is.
We bought two spa.
Why?
Oh no, we didn't buy. We didn't buy only one spa. You guys couldn't
Okay.
see.
What do you think of this one? Hey, did you show the little guy? Can you show that?
I don't know they're saying it or not,
Okay.
doesn't matter. But where
Okay.
should we start?
So.
Okay,
we
we're gonna
can-
start with this one.
Yeah. Okay.
This is Shower Fontana? Shower Fontana?
Shower.
I think it's French.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
You know, French is for poor people.
Yeah.
We are rich. Yeah. Okay. Should we test now?
Test, bro.
Okay, Habibi, I'm opening it. Take your paw.
It's enough or more?
Yeah, just do it. This is for taste.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's okay. Yeah.
I feel a little bit salty. A little bit.
Yeah, true.
But-
I give a
I think it's okay.
8.
I give it 6. Maybe I'll change later.
Okay.
But for now, 6 is enough.
Okay.
Out of 10. Of course, you can ask like how out of 100 or what? Out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, next we should start spa.
Spa. What does it mean, spa?
Spa like
Social poor.
Many Tic Tacs later.
maybe this is water from the gamer girl. All those famous YouTuber gamer girls.
Oh.
The bath water. Who knows? Okay. Yep. This is enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We didn't do the cheers.
Yeah.
Yep. This one is probably better than the Chef Fontana. I like this one.
I give a 9.253.
I give it 8.420.
Okay.
But this one is nice. Spa. This is in my top list now.
Yeah.
Which one should we go? You choose.
I like the mountains here, so we go for this.
Okay. You later. Don't cry. Don't cry.
It smells okay.
Habibi.
Oh. Okay. Bro, wait.
No! Wait!
Okay. That was it.
Guys, this is technical difficulties. Literally, this whole area looks like
Splash water.
like a flat. It's flatted, but doesn't matter. Does it taste better than the glass?
I don't know. Just
Cheers.
nah. I give it a.
I don't know why I feel like if these two have like sex and if they have a baby, this will be it. I don't know why it feels like
This
it's a
I give this one 6.9.1.
What?
I don't know. It feels like they have a kid and he's the guy or the daughter. I don't know, but yeah, I'll give 6 point. What did I give for that one? Whatever.
8.4. I think something.
No, for the Fontana.
Two Fontana.
I think 6 or
7.
7. Okay, then 0.5 than this. Yeah, this is also not good, and this area is like literally flatted. We need to clean it up. Okay, guys, we are back after the big flat of 2020. 2020 is already very bad, but yeah, we made a flat here. So we have the last guy. It's just mineral water, natural mineral water from I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not big fan of sparkling water. You?
Sometimes after you eat very big meat or something,
Like
or very hot.
dinosaur or something like
Yeah.
that? Oh, okay, okay. I haven't eaten dinosaur for a long time. Okay, so
Okay.
let's start.
Yeah.
Two.
Bro, this is actually nice.
For me, it's two. It tastes like I'm drinking, I don't know what, my pee or something. I don't know what.
No, man, this like how do you say it? Like,
No, it's a big no for me.
oh, I give it a 7.2. Actually, better than Evian.
Yeah, for me it's two. I don't know. So, what do you think? Which is yeah, you gave the score, but what do you think? Which is the value for money? Because all of them are quite same as the price, I think.
Yeah, true. I give this one. This
Yeah,
is the
for me,
best.
yeah, for me also Spice the King as a taste wise. So, yeah, we are gonna do the before everything. So guys, I'm gonna now review the toilet water. You never know, there can be any emergency that you need to drink like toilet water. So that should be in the review also, right? Let's go. Let's go, sorry for my good English.
Bro, are you okay? Bro,
I'm fine.
yeah?
I'm fine.
Bro,
Yeah, it tastes.
CB, come on.
It tastes.
Okay guys, we are going now to review the tap water. Okay, and I'm going to look how it tastes. As you can see, I'm filling it on. This is it. Hey, it looks like something. Okay. Yeah. It smells like little bit chemical, but actually this one is better than the, how do you call it again? Evian or something?
All this bottled water.
Yeah, I give it a 8.2. Okay guys, we are going to test the last test. And the last test is we are going to throw the water and we are going to check how far it goes.
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
more like it's for people who are doing truck challenges and they're going to concert
Oh,
and
yeah.
splash with water. It's for them.
Okay. Evian, we are starting with this one. Okay. Okay, we are going to check how far it goes. I think this is the final one. Okay. It's not bad, right? Not bad. The second one is Spa. Oh. Okay, it can stay there. No. Again. Yeah, then I need to do that one. Finish that one, okay? Okay. The last one, the mineral water. Okay, let's check the results. Straight line. Look, this one is going to the left. This one is going to the right. And as you can see, the winner is Spa.
Ooh.
So the conclusion of today, Spa wins. So guys, if you want to drink good water, then just buy Spa.
So guys, here is it. We have done all the tests and everything. We have tasted the water from different sources. Yeah, and the conclusion is none of the water tastes different actually. Yeah, some of this bottled water tastes different.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. But the thing is, guys, just buy a bottle and take water from your home. This bottled water is making lots of waste, and yeah, this is not good
also
for
the plastic.
yeah, the
waste.
plastic. This is not good for our planet. Just buy a bottle one time and yeah, just take it. We made some funs and we did this and that, but yeah, bro, we just made fun because we wanted to. Yeah, nothing serious. And
This
yeah,
was it, and
then
till the
next review.
next time.